Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I, Trapti Vashne, along with my partner Insha Khan, going to present on Central Government Health Scheme. These are the topics that would be covered by us during our presentation. Introduction of the scheme. In a country like India, which has the highest population living below the poverty line, healthcare is a major concern. The inadequacy of funds limit access to the quality medical facilities. The central government health scheme has been introduced to combat the health issues of all the employees of the central government. The CGSS scheme is a broader concept of health insurance. Central Government Health Scheme was started in 1954 under the Indian Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Aim of the scheme is to provide comprehensive health care to its eligible beneficiaries and their dependents in CGHS covered cities. The medical facilities are provided through wellness centers or polyclinics under the following system of medicine: allopathic, homeopathic, and Indian system of medicine, which include Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha, and Yoga. The scheme works for its beneficiaries with mission statement of Your Health, Our Goal. The vision of the scheme is to evolve as benchmark in quality healthcare to ensure accessible and affordable quality healthcare by compassionate medical professionals and to cultivate an environment of trust, honesty, relationship, mutual respect and equality. Now the objectives of the scheme. Primarily, there are four objectives of central government health scheme. First, price. Low price of services like consultation charges, different diagnostic charges, etc. for the beneficiaries of the scheme. Second, awareness. Started from the Delhi, they extended their scheme to various cities by creating awareness among the beneficiaries about its benefits. Third, prevent. Manage common diseases and injuries to provide immunization service to prevent and control local endemic diseases, example fever, dengue, etc. Fourth, promote. Government promoted their scheme in urban hospital and health center, health service and health insurance provided by the government, so that demand is generated toward the health. CGHS, known for providing comprehensive healthcare services to its beneficiaries, is currently conducting a series of short webinars of 60 to 90-minute duration with active participation of its beneficiaries to provide information on common health related issues. These webinars are being scheduled at 4 p.m. on 2nd and 4th Tuesday of the month. A 30 to 40 minutes presentation by a CGHS doctor will be followed by 30 minutes of answering of relevant questions from the beneficiaries. It is expected that these webinars will provide useful information to CGHS beneficiaries and create awareness on various health conditions, provide guidance on promotive care, lifestyle modification, and also dispel many health related myths and doubts. Now, the facilities. Under this scheme, various health related facilities are provided to the beneficiaries like OPD treatment including issue of medicines, specialist consultation at polyclinic government hospitals, indoor treatment at government and empaneled hospitals, investigation at government and empaneled diagnostic centers, cashless facility available for treatment in empaneled hospitals and diagnostic centers for pensioners and other identified beneficiaries. Reimbursement of expenses for treatment availed in government or private hospitals under emergency. Reimbursement of expenses incurred for purchase of hearing aids, artificial limbs, appliances, etc. as specified. Family welfare, maternity and child health services. Medical consultation and dispensing of medicine in Ayurveda, homeopathy, Unani, and Siddha system of medicine, Ayush. Supply of medication and other medical requirements, health education to beneficiaries, laboratory examinations like X-rays, ECG, and so on. Beneficiaries of the scheme. CGHS is generous approach providing healthcare to large volume of beneficiaries. Currently, approximately 38.5 lakh beneficiaries are covered by central government health scheme in 74 cities all over India. CGHS serve to the healthcare needs of all four pillars of democratic setup in India. Its beneficiaries include central government employees, serving and pensioners, members and former members of parliament, judges of Supreme Court and High Court, freedom fighters, former governors and former Vice President of India, journalists. Institutional framework of the scheme. The central government health scheme is headed by Special Secretary and Director General, followed by Joint Secretary. Joint Secretary is assisted by Director of Policy and Director CGHS. Director of Policy is further assisted by Under Secretary and then Section Officer. Under Director CGHS, four prominent administrators work, who are followed by different CMOs and other officers. These are Additional Director HQ, Additional Deputy Director General HQ, Nodal Officer Monitoring, Computerization and Training Cell, and Director Administration. That's all from my side. Further part of the presentation would be covered by Insha. Thank you.